And the winner is the Kawasaki. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And today we're back with the 1974 Kawasaki MT1-B. My grandson's mini bike that I broke. And no, we didn't break it when we were racing. And the winner is the Kawasaki. I broke it just shifting from first to second. Not going fast, normal riding, not when we were racing. We discovered we had some broken springs on the shifter mechanism. Now we'll be able to replace all the springs on the inside and see if that fixes it. So fingers crossed, get me out of some hot water. So see, a spring goes here. So this is the spring I'm missing right here. Let's see. Actually, let's go this way. Oh, I got it. Lucky dog. So, let's see if I can get this guy up and this guy. There we go. Now this guy will work. Let's put all this back together. This guy. Oh, put it on the right way, you big dummy. There we go. Everything's turning. Good. Put this guy on. Oh, there it is. Shot that across the lawn. Just tightening up the kickstart lever, get that guy tightened up. Good to go. We'll put some oil in it and we'll see what happens. But as of right now, our problem should be solved. And our problem was that it wouldn't roll with the chain because it was locked up. So let me get this out of the way. Now it's good. Let's see if it'll shift into gear, or is it locked up? Yeah, it's good. Let's see if this works. Got fuel in it. First kick, baby. Just want to see if it goes into gear. Yep, do. Yep. I think I'm in the wrong gear, but it's all right. Good deal. Yep, it works. It's running really good. I can't get out right now to go ride it because I've got that tank being painted. I'm not going to move any of this stuff, so I don't want to stir up any dust, any more dust to get on the paint. So guys, there you have it. We were able to put the MT1-B back together. A little Kawasaki 75cc 2-stroke back together. My grandson's motorcycle that I had broke. Or I didn't break it. I was the guy that was on it when it broke. So I'm not going to say I broke it. But now we got it back together, so now I'm out of trouble. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang. And give those guys a subscribe too. And since you're online, cruise on over to twowheelsanddeals.com and check out the motorcycles for sale, sell some motorcycles, buy some motorcycle parts, list it. It's free to list, free to sell, free to buy. So check it out.